Oh yeah, so in this video, I'm just going to do a quick 5-minute video as a quick run round the charts, the Sierra chart platform, so you can get used to the main functions that I use. I mean, there's so much to Sierra, but there's just a few basic things that will probably help you out if you're new to Sierra and looking at it for the first time. You might be a bit daunted. So you'd get this screen probably when you first log in with a message up here. Close that, and then you want to open your chart books which you've uploaded. So there's an option of either open chart book there or obviously file. I have done this in a previous video, but I just might as well go over it. Then select your chart book you want. In this case, it's the Bankers Club chart book, and that will load your charts up like so. If you still get a blank screen, you can click on CW here. I think gives you a drop down menu and you can select what charts you want. Let's go for the VWAP chart to start off with. You can maximize it. You can make it smaller. You can drag it about. I have it set so all my charts are detached from the window. So this allows me to, as you can see, move charts about. So you can either use CW, scroll down, select what chart you want, or you can hover over the icon for Sierra chart and select your charts like that. So that's that. Once you've done that, another thing that you should know is going to chart settings. You can select your symbol, your currency pair, what you want to trade. That's how you go into it. Pick what you want and then okay, apply. Okay. You might need to go first time round into every chart to select the symbol in case it doesn't mirror over onto each chart. So be aware you may need to do that, but there's only a couple of minutes. And then once you've done that, it's set and forget then. So that's looking at that. Then we can, if you hover over the right hand side here, move the charts up and down. If you click and scroll backwards and forwards along the bottom of a bar here, you can zoom in or zoom out. If you want to scroll back, you just go there and pull the cursor back like so. I mean, this is probably stuff that you'd work out easily anyway, but I thought I'd just go over it. So another thing we can do, if you want to do a drawing on the chart and you want to mirror it over onto say the VWAP chart, for example, as well. So wherever you draw here, it will mirror onto there. What we do is take, say, the market profile chart, look at the number, it's number 3. We'll then go into whatever charts we want to copy drawings onto. So in this case, say we want to do it onto the VWAP chart. We would then go into chart settings, advanced settings 2, and then copy chart drawings from chart number 3, which was the market profile chart. Apply OK. Then actually, if I make this bigger, you can see it easier then. If I make this one smaller. If I want to draw, say, for example, a extending rectangle, I'd go into Tools, Extending Rectangle. I use this quite a lot. If I want to highlight an area, say, here to here, it then copies over onto this chart here. As simple as that. If you want to change the color, you right-click over on, you hover over the extending rectangle, right-click, and then chart drawing properties. You can, change the color, whatever you want to do. Like that. To delete it, you just right-click on it, erase drawing, and that deletes it. Another tool I use is horizontal line. I find that quite useful as well. There you go. It's copied over again. Right-click, chart properties. Okay, you can see it copies over. So I pretty much only use, to be honest with you, the extending rectangle, horizontal line, and obviously the pointer, so I can move about easy, and the crosshairs. So that's all I use that for. What else is there? There's not an awful lot else, to be honest with you. I mean, there's loads of stuff up here, but I personally don't bother with any of that. But there's so much you can do with Sierra charts that if you want to go in depth, then obviously look at the tutorials online or read the tutorials, like handbooks that Sierra provide, and you can see much more stuff. But I try to keep things simple. I've got enough to do analysing the charts to know about all this other stuff you can do. But so yeah, that's basically, so we've learned how to open up the chart books, how to copy charts over onto another, drawings onto another chart, how to pull up extra charts, and because they're all detached, you can move them about and arrange them in a way that you want so you can see the data easy enough. What else? I think that will probably do for this one. So once you've obviously finished, you just click on close chart book and then click on yes, save any changes, and that closes the chart book up. And I think that will conclude this video, really. All right, cheers guys.